Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter fraction and decimals. But we will learn about fractions and decimals we will learn in next class. Fractions. What is fraction? Fraction is a number which represent a part of whole number. Okay, the fraction is part of whole number. A whole number may be single object or group of object. What is fraction? Part of whole. Whole may be single object or group of objects. Now two types of fractions are there. First is proper fraction. And second is improper fraction. Improper fraction. What are proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is greater than 0. It means greater than 0, it may be 3. Suppose 3 is numerator and it is greater than 0 but less than denominator. Denominator we can write denominator 8. Okay, 3 is less than 0, greater than 0 but less than denominator, then it is proper fraction. One more we can say 4 by 9. Okay, and now improper fraction. Fractions whose numerator is greater, numerator is 11 and denominator is less, it may be 6, then it is improper fraction. We will take another example, 14 by 9. Now the denominator is less and numerator are greater. Here in proper fractions, numerators are less and denominators are more. Every rational number is also an improper fraction. Okay, in improper fraction rational numbers will also come. Every rational number is improper fraction. That is, 7 can be written as 7 by 1. If rational number is 4, then 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Okay, it is improper fraction. And one more type of fraction is there, that is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? In mixed fraction we can write every mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction and vice versa. Example, we can say 3 1 by 7. Okay, so it can be also written as 3 into 7 plus 1 by 7. ऐसे करते हैं मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. 7 3 सा 21 प्लस 1 22. तो इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 7 into 3 plus 1 by 7. Okay, then what will come? 22 by 7. Now we will divide 22 by 7. Then it can be written as like this, and this is called mixed fraction. Okay, when we will divide this, this will come. Now the value of fraction remain unchanged if numerator and denominator both are multiplied or divided by the same number. Okay, example, a by v, then a into c and b into c, तो भी वही आएगा. और a by b हो तो a डिवाइडेड बाई d एंड b डिवाइडेड बाई d, तो भी वही आएगा. दीज आर कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. मतलब वैल्यू ऑफ a बाई b इज इक्वल टू a बाई b. कुछ भी करेंगे तो इक्वल आएंगे वो दोनों साइड से. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल लर्न रेसिप्रोकल. इफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शन इज 1, ओके, then the one of the fraction is the reciprocal of other. Example, p by q into q by p then answer will come 1. If then P by Q is the reciprocal of P by Q. Q by P is reciprocal of P by Q. Okay, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal of improper fraction is proper fraction. Reciprocal proper fraction is improper. मतलब जैसे 3/2 है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या है 2/3. तो इम्प्रॉपर का प्रॉपर हो जाएगा, प्रॉपर का इम्प्रॉपर हो जाएगा, ऊपर नीचे हो जाएंगे ना. द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 0 डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ओके, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 improper fraction is smaller than each of 2 fractions. Okay, and the product of 2 improper fraction is greater than each of the fraction. These are the rules of fraction, and I hope, I think you have understood all the concepts, and in the next class we will do decimals. Okay guys, thank you.